Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll show you how to send app push notifications using PushEngage. Whether you want to boost user engagement, promote a new feature, or drive traffic, app notifications are a fantastic way to connect with your audience. So, let's get started. First things first, you need to make sure that PushEngage is integrated into your app, whether it's for Android or iOS. You might need a developer's help for the initial setup. Once that's done, we'll guide you through how to send a basic push broadcast to your app subscribers. Head over to the Campaigns tab, then click on Push Broadcasts. This is where you can create new broadcasts for your app users. Start by entering a title and message that grabs attention. Then toggle on the Mobile App Push option to access more detailed settings. Here, you can add a channel, set up a deep link, customize the accent color, and prioritize your campaign. If you're targeting iOS users, you can even configure badge settings. Once you've got everything set up, go to the Audience section to choose your target audience. After that, you can either send the campaign immediately, schedule it for later, or save it as a draft for future use. And that's it. Sending push broadcasts to your app subscribers is that simple. After your notification goes out, you can track its performance under the Push Broadcasts tab. This will give you insights on clicks, views, and other engagement metrics, helping you fine-tune future campaigns. Happy engaging! If you want more tips on how to grow your business with push notifications, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.